How y'all living? How y'all feeling? Versatile Squad, y'all. As y'all see, I got my brother JR Productions right here with me, y'all. Got the Mamba 2SS too, sitting on candy apples. That thing is bagged. That's why it's so low, y'all. Sorry about the camera being shaky today, y'all. I actually forgot the tripod at home. But today we're actually gonna be doing a review on Mamba, our brother JR Productions car. You wanna let them know all the mods you got done?
Yeah, bro. So you know, it's a 2015 Camaro 2SS. It's an automatic, so it's an L99. Right now, it's making about 390 to the wheel and 410 torque. I have the Texas Speed long tube 1/7/8 headers, catless, MSD spark plug wires. Even though that doesn't really do nothing. 3-inch piping all the way back, custom exhaust, 3-inch X pipe, Rotofab quarter intake. Michimoto oil catch can, and then like you said, the bags, the wheels, carbon fiber side skirts. The trunk got marble floor in it, the whole nine. Carbon fiber door handles, you know what I'm saying. The 6th gen conversion tail lights, the 3rd brake light from Sequenced. It does all the dancing and whatnot. Then the, you know, ZL1 the ZL1 add-ons, wicker bill, quad tips that actually came off the vet. You know what I'm saying? So that's a little gem that they don't know. These joints actually came off the vet, man. So big shout out to my brother for that deal, man. Other than that, bro, car's tuned by Matt Sorian. Nothing really else.
Want to show him that sequence light though, real quick?
Yeah, I got you.
He's one of his newest sponsors, y'all. That thing goes stupid. It just dance for no reason.
There you go. So that's the show mode, and then I got a different mode for when I step on the brake.
And where can they go if they want to get one for themselves?
You got to go to sequence.com, use promo code JI Squad, I believe 10, to save yourself some money. They make them for Chargers, they make them for Camaros, they make them for Corvettes, they make them for Mustangs.
Damn near any car.
You know what I'm saying? You can get it. So make sure you guys go tap in with them. Now, other than that, man, that's pretty much it for the car. I think the rest of it is up to you, brother.
Yes, sir, appreciate it. We're about to go do a test drive. But before we do that, y'all, make sure y'all go to his channel, y'all. Hit that subscribe button, y'all. Also, he got some merch with that decal right there on it. JR Productions with the Cobra on it. My bad, the Mamba.
Come on, brother.
Hey, everybody say Cobra. My bad.
I gotta get my keys back now.
All right, my bad. Appreciate you, bro. Got the carbon fiber on the door handle. Man, he don't just stop on the outside. When you go on the inside, first thing you see that red carbon fiber looking stupid going across the whole dash. Then he got the shift knob too. This thing is blacked out like a mug, man. Get y'all set up here, man. It might be a little jerky because like I said, I don't have the tripod, y'all. Let's go ahead and get started for this thing. I'm so mad that they didn't give these people, the Camaro people, a goddamn push start. Still got the crank. That thing, that sound crazy. Then here's this little airlift controller, y'all, for the bags. The ride height is crazy. Matter of fact, let me get out and show y'all the ride height. Got it automatically aired up. Ride height on this thing is crazy, y'all. Look, that boy is tucking, man. That thing is tucking. So you can't have vacant fenders over here. Ain't got the carbon fiber floating on the floor. That thing is crazy, y'all. But without further ado, y'all, let's go ahead and get into this test drive, man. See how she run. I'll see y'all on the road. So, y'all, I did want to give y'all a little cruising view too. Y'all can see that bulldog right there on his air vent, man. That's actually an air freshener, y'all, from one of his other sponsors that hooked him up with it, man. Make sure y'all go check him out. The link is on his channel. But man, so far it's a smooth ride. The bags aren't too bad. I'm not gonna lie, when we went to Dallas, y'all, me and my wife were in the back seat. And you can feel all the bumps in the road. I'm not gonna lie, because you know the back seat's the worst. You feel everything. Man, but in the front, driving it, it's not bad at all. I ain't gonna lie, it feels good to step on the gas and hear vroom again. You know, because right now your boy is in a Clark Chrysler 300, and that thing is. We're not even gonna get on that topic, y'all. But man, if y'all haven't already, make sure y'all go check out my merch, man. I have it pop up right here for the black one and right here for the white one, man. Y'all can click that link in the description below. Y'all can go to VVL Apparel. Make sure y'all go check out the merch and y'all can get one too. You got, you know, the Venom Vet on the back. Then you got the Be Someone, inspiring y'all to become someone in a big town, a small city, wherever y'all from, man. Become someone. But so far in this review, y'all, I want to say cruising in the 2SS, it's not bad at all. One thing I will say, this thing does drink up gas, way more gas than the Vet. For some reason, the active fuel management system is way better on the Vet than it is for the 2SS. He has to fill up probably twice a week, sometimes 3 times a week, depending on, you know, how much he's driving, if he's going to the school, back and forth to school or not. But other than that, gas is pretty bad on this, I'm not gonna lie. If you're thinking you're gonna save gas when getting this, or you're gonna be good, nah. What they say, smiles per gallon equals miles per gallon, goddamn. Popo right there. That boy good. We're coming up on that feeder right now, y'all. Ain't trying to bore y'all too much, talk to y'all. Just wanted to give y'all that nice little street test. Street test is cool. Now it's time to hop on the feeder, y'all. We're gonna do the loop and head back to work because I am on my lunch break right now, y'all. So we are kind of on a time crunch. But huge shout out to my brother JR Productions, man. If y'all haven't already, make sure. God, broke her neck. She god damn, you like that, JR? Breaking niggas' necks in the back seat. She did a full 360 like she was off the exorcism or something.
Christ, who lives and reigns with the Father and the Holy Spirit. Damien!
That's crazy. But man, like I was saying, we are on a little bit of a time crunch. Let's get that takeoff. God damn, I wanted to hit the paddle shifters, brother. I wanted to hit the downshift. Man, when he was actually turning, man, it got caught on something and ripped off. See the turn signal right? I mean the paddle shifter right there, man. It actually had got ripped off. He had some red carbon fiber ones to match, you know, all the other carbon fiber accessories. That thing got ripped off. It's crazy how that happened too. But man, on that, the acceleration on this thing is crazy. It is tuned by Matt Sorion, y'all, and built by J-Rod. Partially built by J-Rod, I should say. Because he did a couple mods on it. Man. This is the last car that beat the Vet too, y'all, before it went into the shop. The Vet was broken. Y'all stay tuned for that video because I just got to go up there and talk to J-Rod or J-Rod Jr. so y'all can hear that story, man. I wasn't even putting the power I should have been putting to the wheel, y'all. We're not going to get into much of that, though. He beat me. He got his dub. Man, shit. These roads over here on your side of town, brother, is not it. Man, if y'all thinking about getting a 2SS, I would recommend it. No, it's not too bad. It is a great option if you're looking into getting into a sports car. Only thing I would say about the Camaros is their fenders do stick out a lot more than a traditional sports car, like I would say like a Mustang or a Chadley. Well, it depends if you get the wide body or not, but y'all get what I'm trying to say, y'all. The Camaros, man, they got a little fat ass. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. The ass kind of fat, so gonna have to be careful with that. You ain't gonna be able to whip in and out of traffic like you can in a slimmer car. But overall, man, the drive is great. If y'all thinking about bagging y'all car, man, bags is crazy. They not only like head turner, you know, they ain't just for looks. I mean, he got this thing tuned, y'all, transmission tuned as well, so. And it's on bags. He has had his problems, you know, his ups and downs with it. That's gonna happen with anything. That's man-made. But other than that, I don't see no other reason why you wouldn't choose a 2SS, man. You get acceleration, it's a head turner, you get that big V8. So you wouldn't expect to save gas in this. Alright, y'all, so if y'all are considering buying a 2015 Camaro 2SS, y'all should greatly consider it, man. Got 180 on the dash. The gauge clusters are ridiculous. Like that down there, that's crazy. I wish the Vet had something like that. That's like a damn near the clusters you get when you get for the extra boost right here. And when you step on this thing, it growls for no reason. She just mad. She just wanna go. She like, that's all you got? You gonna give me some more? No cap, man. The acceleration that y'all saw, man, is ridiculous on this thing. Even though this one is tuned, so it's expected, the base ones are damn near, they're not too far off. The acceleration from a stock one, I should say, is not bad at all, especially if you get a pedal commander, y'all. And with that pedal commander, I would also recommend y'all porting your throttle body. You port your throttle body, get a throttle commander, a pedal commander, I mean, man, that thing's gonna breeze. Plus the intake as well. Man, that's some good. What the hell? Radio just cut on by itself. That's crazy. Also, y'all, this infotainment system right here, man. Chevy's infotainment systems, man, they have their flaws, but don't get me wrong, man, you can't go wrong with them. They look ridiculous, man, compared to the competition. I don't see why you wouldn't choose Chevy. And I do believe the stock ones come with 19-inch alloy wheels. I forgot to even show y'all. I was lost for words. I forgot to even show y'all the heads-up display that it has. Do not expect that. That's one of my favorite things about the Vet, y'all. You gotta love that heads-up display. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to get back to the work. Give y'all another little walk around, wrap up this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all want to see more reviews from Versatile Speed, man, y'all let me know in the comment section down below, y'all. And if y'all like this video, y'all be sure to give this video a thumbs up, man. It'd be greatly appreciated. I will be getting some more POV views, man. Like, I plan on getting a chest strap for my GoPro. So when I do get the Venom Vet back, man, hey, man, that thing, hold on, let me tell y'all, when the Venom Vet come back, man, it's over. I'm talking my shit and respect it, because I've been humble for a long time. I've been too humble for a long time, y'all. It's time to talk my shit, y'all. When the Venom Vet come back, it's coming back completely brand new, y'all. I didn't only get maintenance done like I said, like I planned on doing. I had to throw a little extra, you know, saute on it, man. Had to get some more horses in that thing. Y'all just stay tuned, man. Y'all just stay tuned. But for now, we're about to enjoy this. Damn, Mamba, like that. Man, if y'all haven't already, y'all be sure to click that link in the description below, y'all. Y'all check out my brother JI Productions, man. He got some crazy things coming, y'all. I don't know. All I can say is this might be the last time you see me driving Mamba. Him driving Mamba. That's all I can say, man. Y'all just stay tuned, y'all. We got big pressure coming to our channels, y'all. That's all I can say for right now, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all when we back at the shop, so I can give y'all a little rock around before we end this vlog. Y'all, so this is what I was saying. His grill is not normal. He do got the, what do you even call this grill, man?
That's the Z28.
The Z28 grill, man. Excuse me, I couldn't recognize it, goddamn.
You good, dog.
Forgot to show y'all too the white Brim Bros. They all a little dirty right now. It's been raining in Houston off and on. We can't control the weather. With the slotted brake rotors.
Oh, forgot about the RGBW.
Forgot to show them the lights too. We got the lights going stupid in the everywhere.
This is true.
In the eyeballs. You gotta awaken that bitch. It take a minute.
Now I gotta find it again.
It's the sleeping giant. There you go. This is the Flow series too, y'all, from Lighting Trends with the Demon Eye, with the tow hook. I'm telling you, the look of this thing is so aggressive, so mean. I don't see why y'all wouldn't choose a 2015 Camaro 2SS, y'all. Like I was saying, with the damn sunroof being up, makes it look even more aggressive. And as y'all can see, that thing is big blacked out with the green Hornet, goddamn.
It ain't dark enough.
That nigga crazy. He sound like tall guy with that bullshit. This ain't dark enough.
I need 5%. You can still see inside.
But man, huge shout out to my brother Jai Productions for trusting me with his baby, man.
Of course.
Got some big things coming. Y'all stay tuned, man. That's all I can say. Just stay tuned.
Start cooking in the pot, you know, whipping the work. We'll see what happens.
But yeah, y'all, with that being said, that's gonna be it for this one, man. Y'all remember to hit the subscribe button down below, y'all. And go check out my brother's channel if y'all haven't already. That's gonna be it for this one. Y'all remember to stay versatile, treat each day like it's y'all Friday, man. And go ahead and like it's y'all last. We out.